What is associative property of addition? That will be our lesson today. Addition is one of the four major mathematical operations, and it is the grouping of items together. 1 butterfly plus 2 butterflies is equal to 3 butterflies. 2 horses plus 2 horses is equal to 4 horses. Let's continue. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 1 stick plus 2 sticks is equal to 3 sticks. In addition sentence, we have parts like plus sign, addends, sum, and equal sign. For this example, we have 1 and 2 as addends. Meanwhile, sum is the result of combining 2 or more numbers. Let's have another example. We will write the symbol as 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Let's take another example. 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. How about this? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next one is 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. Bakit kaya? Kahit balibaliktad ang position o place ng mga addends, iisa lang ang sagot. Dahil sa commutative property of addition. Tingnan naman natin ang pangalawang property ng addition. This is the associative property of addition. The groupings of the addends do not affect the sum. Gaya na mga sumusunod. Remember, associative property of addition. In this lesson, we are going to introduce to you the complement of 10 so that it will be easier for you to add. 9 needs 1 to complete 10. Likewise, 1 needs 9 to make it 10. 2 needs 8 to make it 10. 8 needs 2 to make it 10. 3 needs 7 to make it 10. 7 needs 3 to make it 10. 4 needs 6 to make it 10. The last but not the least, 5 needs 5 to make it 10. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.